99.1. Hey you, it's Evie. Okay, if you clicked on this video, I'm guessing you have fibromyalgia for sure, or you know someone that does. I'm just gonna hop into it. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling so great right now. I'm thinking I overdid it. Okay, for those of you that have fibromyalgia, I would like to know how many of you get the butterfly type rash. Probably can't see it with the lighting. It goes like this a little bit across. I've made videos about this before, but in case you're new here, not everybody with fibromyalgia gets it. My doctor actually told me to take my temperature because when I get it, my face feels really sunburnt, and sometimes the tips of my ears will too. He told me to take my temperature, so I could insert that clip of me taking my temperature. I think it was 99.1, but I had forgotten you have to add a degree to that when you take your temperature in your mouth. I don't remember. So yeah, I have a low grade fever again, and quite a few times that he's told me that, and I've checked, I have. Because I always forget to talk about this with you guys, and it's going on right now. I'm really, really tired. My hands are ice cold. I've been wrapping them up in my sleeve like this. This seems to be happening if either things are like really stressful, or I did a lot, or if it's really hot outside. That's why I've been trying to avoid the sunshine. Although with it cooling down, I've been trying to get in the sun as much as possible, because during the winter time it doesn't happen much except for stress or overdoing it. Yesterday I did a whole bunch of cleaning in the kitchen. Something that would just normally take up a quarter of my day takes up all my day, my whole day, and then I'm just like dead from it. So I'm trying to put my face on, hair up, trying to get a few things done, but just not feeling it today. So I wanted to share this video to you guys and see how many of you do that. So if you have this problem, like this video, comment below, let me know, and we can kind of see in the comment section who all has the rash and if you have a low grade fever. So next time this happens to you, or if you have it now, grab your thermometer and check. I'm not sure on the Pacific a low grade fever. I believe it was anything 98 and above, like that. I don't know. So much for watching, you guys, and I will talk to you in the comment section down below. If you're new here, hi, make sure you check out better videos than this one. And join our Spoonie fam. Everything here is related to chronic illnesses, so it'd be nice to have ya. Alright, you guys, I'll talk to you soon.